Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video, and today we're going to show you on how to hide application in Share Panel, and this is an updated version. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go to your Play Store and then search Share DR and then install this application, and then right after that you will then just have to open this one. Now click on the Invoke Share dialog after you open the application, then click on remember my choice and then click on share dr. Okay, here you would be able to see all of the applications that you can hide. So to hide a application, you will then just have to press and hold a specific one, and you would be able to see here the pin app, hide app, renamed application, or the app info. So just click on the hide app, and that specific application will be hidden from your app drawer. Okay, so next we're going to try another application. You can rename it, pin the app, or click on the app info, and of course, hide the application. Okay, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful quick how-to videos next time. Adios.